Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. It's Q&A. No, what day is it?
Q&A.
Is this coffee talk or Q&A?
Q&A Wednesday.
Q&A Wednesday. Ooh, I'm getting my vitamin C like a champ right now. Does like the more tanginess mean the more vitamin C?
I don't know if that's how it works.
Q&A day. We got an awesome question from Film Factory. Ding! Would colloidal silica work the same in a pure geopolymer cement mix as with a Portland design? If I'm correct, high range water reducers do not work the same in geocements. Thanks. Film Factory, thanks for another awesome question, and the answer is no. When we look at geopolymer, I would call them binders. We're saying binders that not only don't use Portland cement, but they normally don't use that same calcium silica dependency to develop the calcium silicate hydrates. They're actually looking at an aluminosilica polymer that's based off of an aluminosilica reaction. And normally that requires a form of silica, and we've used alumina-modified silica as well as silica-based particles in the past for geopolymers, but because you don't have that hydraulic reaction and then that kicking off of calcium hydroxide, or I mean, depending on the recycled materials that you're using or the geopolymer raw materials that you're using, you might have that, but more often than not with the alumina and silica, you need some type of very basic material, a water glass, to truly kick off those reactions. Either that or a significant amount of heat. That being said, once you have that, yeah, you're going to have the same, you're putting a whole bunch of silica in there, as long as you have the alumina and the environment to catalyze that reaction, then yeah, it's a great thing that you're putting in a very pure form of alumina or silica with alumina modification to it, or just the silica to generate a denser particle-to-particle packing geopolymer hydrate or geopolymer matrix for your geopolymer composite. So hopefully that answers your question. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Ding that bell for notifications. Go Concrete!
Beat asphalt!